What if I told you that you could create breathtaking art with just a few words? No brushes, no skills, no effort. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what Imagine AI Art Generator does. It's like having a personal artist at your fingertips, turning your ideas into stunning visuals in seconds. But here's the big question. Is this the future of creativity, or are we losing what makes art stick around? Because in this video, I'll show you how this tool works and why it's revolutionizing the art world. Getting started is easy. Just create an account, and you're ready to go, whether you're on a PC, Android, or iPhone. It's beginner-friendly and works seamlessly across all platforms. Even if you've never tried AI art before, imagineart makes it simple. No brushes, no skills. Just type your ideas and watch them come to life. imagineart is like having your own personal designer that turns your ideas into reality. Its magic lies in photogen, a tool that transforms simple text prompts into stunning visuals. The first time I used it, I described a galactic nebula with glowing crystals, and the results were mind-blowing, like something out of a sci-fi movie. Whether it's your first try or your 10th, it's addictive. For social media, product designs, or concept art, imagineart has you covered. But the real game changer is Flux Dev, their 12 billion parameter AI model. It delivers results that feel almost magical, producing hyper-detailed and lifelike images. Just choose a model, and Flux Dev takes creativity to a whole new level. It's the most advanced model imagineart has to offer, and once you see what it can do, you'll understand why it's redefining creativity. Here's the best part. imagineart saves you time and money. From thumbnails to quick visuals, it eliminates the need for costly designers or stock images, perfect for creators. Aspect ratios are crucial for online platforms. Instagram prefers square images 1:1. YouTube thrives on widescreen 16:9, and Pinterest loves vertical designs. With imagineart's aspect ratio panel, you can easily customize your image to fit each platform. No technical skills needed. It's all about focusing on your creativity while the tool handles the details, ensuring your visuals look perfect everywhere. Once you've set up your aspect ratio, the fun begins with styles, lighting, and camera angles. Imagine being the director of your own movie set. Whether you want vibrant neon comic book vibes, cinematic low angles, or soft watercolor effects in warm sunlight, the choices are endless. You control the style, mood, and lighting, letting you experiment and create freely. It's all about having fun while bringing your vision to life. Stuck for ideas? That's where the imagineart prompt bot steps in. Acting like your creative assistant, it helps refine your concepts and sparks inspiration. For example, typing a futuristic city might suggest ideas like neon lights or cyberpunk textures, unlocking new possibilities. This tool doesn't just save time. It helps creators design viral campaigns, grow their social media, and even land clients. The prompt bot transforms your initial idea into something extraordinary, allowing you to focus on bringing your vision to life. imagineart also allows you to create custom characters from scratch. Simply type your idea, like a fantasy clay character with pastel-colored clothes, and the AI generates a design that looks like it's from a storybook. You're not limited to one style. Experiment with lighting, camera angles, and artistic vibes to refine your creation. But it doesn't stop at characters. imagineart's versatility lets you design products, concept art, or anything you can dream up effortlessly. imagineart's tools go beyond characters. You can design products, concept art, or even interiors with ease. Need a tulip for a project? Describe it as the most beautiful tulip ever, and imagineart generates a professional quality image in seconds. Whether you're designing for fun, work, or a major project, this tool makes everything simple and effortless. Want to take your creativity further? Restructure lets you start with a base design, either an uploaded image or a template, and customize it to fit your vision. For example, you can transform a simple sofa into a cheetah-themed masterpiece while keeping the original structure intact. Meanwhile, Restyle allows you to add artistic flair to your visuals while preserving key elements, enhance backgrounds with bold aesthetics, or refine specific details, all with complete control. These tools make it easy to balance creativity and precision effortlessly. For example, you could add bold, dynamic aesthetics to a background while preserving the subject's original details. It's the perfect balance of creativity and control, letting you adjust every part of your design just the way you want. Does AI replace creativity? Absolutely not. imagineart enhances your creativity by acting as a tool to bring your imagination to life faster. It doesn't replace the artist, it empowers them, making it easier to refine and perfect their ideas effortlessly. Once satisfied, Downloading your masterpiece is as simple as clicking a button. This seamless process allows you to save your final image quickly and hassle-free. imagineart helps you turn your wildest ideas into reality, whether for fun, work, or social media. It saves you time, effort, and money while unleashing your creativity like never before. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today. Before you go, check out my video on 7 AI tools that feel like cheating for more game-changing tech. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.